Good morning everyone. Our lunch for today, my experiment chicken curry, the whole chicken curry. This is my first time I made whole chicken curry. The ingredients is chicken curry. The last one I use already. And mushroom, champignon, and garlic powder, and coconut milk, of course, fresh garlic, potatoes, and onions, at sinalang ko muna sa back oven yung chicken and potatoes, kaya para maluto ang chicken. And the chili from my little garden inside the house. At ganun lang guys, igisa ang sangkap and sprouts, parang na vegetable. Tara guys, let's eat. Kain tayo. Yum yum. At I made also rice kasi rice is life. Hindi mawawala sa mga Pilipino. Kain tayo. Yum yum. Kalami kaayo. Liquor. My first chicken curry na whole chicken na ginawa. I made always a chicken curry because my husband favorite chicken curry, kaya ayan. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good day. God bless everyone. Keep safe and healthy. Blessed Wednesday to all of you. God bless.